In this masterclass, you'll learn exact strategies to confidently bid on cleaning contracts, calculate your costs, and land profitable deals. Hey there, I'm Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services and your KSC bidding consultant. And if you're ready to take your cleaning business to the next level, this is the masterclass for you. Now, in this ultimate guide to win a commercial cleaning contract, I'll teach you how to create competitive, profitable bids that will help you secure the contracts you want and deserve. Now, whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your cleaning business, understanding the bidding process is critical. Now, in this masterclass, you'll learn how to calculate your costs accurately to ensure profitability. You'll learn the secrets to writing winning proposals that stand out. You'll learn how to negotiate and present your bids in a way that convinces clients you're the right choice, and so much more. But by the end of this session, you'll have the tools and confidence to create bids that land contracts, giving you the freedom to grow your business. Now, if you're ready to make more money, save time, win big, sign up today for this masterclass. Don't miss this chance to learn from an industry expert. Join me on September the 7th at 7 p.m. And guess what? It's only $65 in honor of my 65th birthday. This masterclass is only $65. So let's take your cleaning business to new heights. I can't wait to see you there.